Welcome to ChinaDivision. This video will guide you through the process of topping up your account balance. Let's get started. Before shipping, please ensure your account has a sufficient balance to avoid any delays in order fulfillment. Click Billing and then click Top Up. On the Top Up page, you can flexibly choose your payment method, including bank transfer, PayPal, as well as Alipay and WeChat Pay. We support direct settlements in multiple currencies such as euros, US dollars, and RMB, making it convenient for users worldwide. After clicking your selected payment method, the system will display ChinaDivision's official payment details. Please use this information to complete the transfer via your bank or payment app. Once the payment is complete, you must return to this page and click I have completed payment. Here, enter the actual amount paid and the date and upload a screenshot of your payment voucher. Please note that the screenshot needs to be uploaded from your computer. If there are any special circumstances, you can explain them in the remarks section. Check that everything is correct and click Submit. This step is very important as it helps our finance team quickly verify your payment and ensure the funds are credited to your account balance as soon as possible. That covers the basic operation process for ChinaDivision. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our online customer support. We wish you success in building a strong brand.